Next section, persuasion. In brief, a means of persuading someone to do or believe something, an argument or inducement. People are bombarded with many perceived images. Persuasion is an umbrella term of influence. Persuasion can attempt to influence a person's belief, attitudes, interests, motivations, or behaviors. In psychology, persuasion is a process aimed at changing a person's or group's attitude, behavior towards some event, idea, object, or other persons by using written or spoken words to convey information, feelings, or reasoning, or combination of thereof. Persuasion is also an often used tool in pursuit of personal gain, such as election campaign. What is meant by persuasion? It is umbrella term of influence. Persuasion influence a person's belief, attitudes, intentions, motivation, and can you define persuasion? Persuasion has been defined as the process by which a person attitude or behavior are influenced by communication by others. Look at this picture. Persuasion, influenced by others. Key characteristics of persuasion. First, communicator. Second, message. 3, channel. 4, the audience. 5, the communication environment. Detail going on. First, the communicator. The personality, style and credibility, physical attractiveness. Second, the message. Message can change life. Understandable, one-sidedness versus two-sided, a fear arousal. 3, channel. Media or chosen changes can be produced in people attitude. For example, advertisement or message through television more effective than radio. For audience, characteristics of leisure, relatively self-extreme. 5, environment. Biological, physical, social and psychological environments. Next, we are going to detail about resistance to persuasion. First, reactance, protecting our personal freedom. Second, forbearing, prior knowledge of perceived intent. 3, selective audience, a tendency to direct our attention away from information. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.